Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to explain how to insert citation on your Microsoft Word. Now, for example, this is what I have with my Microsoft Word. Then the next one is you click on references. Now you can insert citation if you already have, but then if none, there's a bibliography here and there's a drop down. You can go ahead and hit the works cited. So if the document that you have has citation, then there's supposed to be sources in that document, okay? But for mine, there are no sources in the current document, okay? All right, I hope that this video helped you a lot and thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Bye.